Yo, what's going on, guys? We got me and Jimmy here today. We're gonna be doing some ice fishing out here in Napoleon. Just fishing a couple ponds. We're at the first pond right now. We got our holes drilled. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, so right now, guys, I'm at the first hole. I'm using just a little ice fishing jig, tipped with a wax worm. I'm just jigging it up and down, and then every once in a while you just dead stick it, you know. This is only the second time I've ever been ice fishing. The last time I went ice fishing was probably 5-6 years ago, maybe. Well, we got Jimmy over there, and this is Jimmy's first time ever ice fishing. Oh, Jimmy, they're called Swedish pimples.
What?
They're called Swedish pimples.
That's what they're called.
Jimmy's got on a little Swedish pimple right now. I just got on this little jig. We're probably dealing with about 7 inches of ice here. Right now, the temperature is currently about 4 or 5 degrees right now in northwestern Ohio. We just had a really bad snowstorm the other day. There's probably about a foot of snow.
So just drop on in here. Come on. I just put new line on this, so it's like really freaking weird. I'm not all the way down there yet. Dude, it's pretty deep. Hear me? Huh? It's pretty deep over here.
Yeah, I know.
I think I'm at the bottom now. I just got a wax worm and a little like lure Thomas gave me. All I'm doing is just jigging it up. Just let it drop to the bottom and then just jigging it up so I can catch me a freaking bass. See, this is all I'm using. It's just using this little. Thomas, what do you call this little thing? Huh? What do you call this little thing?
It's what's it called?
I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a little spoon, kind of.
Yo, I'm on. Yeah, I'm hooked up. Oh, yo, it's a nice bluegill. We make sure that's recording, Jimmy?
Yep, you're good.
Yo, bro.
Got a little bluegill. Nice bluegill, man.
Hell yeah, it is.
Put it in the sun so I can see it better.
Yeah, I'm on. So I just caught this. Oh no! Come on. Now he's all snowy, but I just caught this really nice, pretty bluegill on that little jig. Just working it. I had it all the way on the bottom, and I reeled it up only a couple turns, but I wasn't getting anything, so I reeled up about 5 or 10 more reels. It's a pretty, really pretty sunfish or bluegill. But yeah, we're gonna let this guy go and get back at it. Nice! Woo! Let's get it, dude. That was freaking awesome. Dude, Jimmy, that was That was awesome, dude.
That's crazy how much that little bluegill bent that pole.
I know. It's freaking awesome. Dude, I'm so hype. That is freaking awesome. That is just... That is sick. Guys, that was at hole number 3, by the way. You know, that just made my whole day, honestly. I just talked to Jimmy about moving ponds, and I reeled it up a couple more times.
I just reeled mine up, honestly. I just reeled it up a little bit, so that's where he got his up here a little bit, so we'll see. I'm using my chest here now. I need to get a tripod soon. I spotted a GoPro. I just got a GoPro 7. GoPro HERO 7. So I just bought it at Walmart. So I needed a camera, so I was getting one, so I got one. Thomas was using a GoPro HERO 5. He is giving me one of his mics, actually, too. He's got one that, I don't know, what's his Lake Fork guy, right? Lake Fork guy uses that mic you use now?
Not this one I have on, but the...
Yeah, not the one he has on now, but he's just got one. And he has a nice one that I used before. It's nice, so yeah, really efficient. See, I don't have an adapter yet though, so can't use it. Gotta reel this in. Oh God! Oh, that was a shit. Whew. No, we just came to the second pond, and when I was coming down the pond, I stepped through the ice. It was like the little shallow part, but I stepped through. I mean, it's thick. It's probably like 7 to 8 inches on this pond too. Probably deeper. Actually, probably thicker than that, but you can see it. My foot went right there, right in there. I fell right through. My foot's cold. I need a worm. Already?
Yep.
Head. Oh no, you're still on, dude. You're still on. You're still good. What is it, bass? No, it's a big. That's a nice one, dude.
You can't even fit through the hole.
That's a nice one. Look how big that thing is.
Crap.
Oh,
Jimmy, what do you do? Dude.
It should be easier.
Complications, guys. Jimmy got his freaking hook stuck in my damn glove.
This is like second time.
Yep, second time today. The other pair we had we couldn't use, and we broke a bait. Yo, what's going on, guys? You know, my stupid I'm stupid. Forgot to record, but yeah, I just caught this really nice bluegill. First drop down in this hole. This is a ginormous bluegill.
I was recording now.
Get a release on this guy. That bluegill was so fat, I could barely even fit through the hole.
Here, you can just use this one. It's honestly not a bad pond. It's honestly pretty big, honestly, if you look at it. It's just so bad. It's just so hard to fish, though, with all these woods around. Or like in the summer, like the vegetation's growing. It's so hard to fish. Over there, as you can see, you probably can't see, but over there, I made for school last year, I made like a, what's it called? I can't even think. I cut like a whole bunch of trees and vegetation out so I could fish like a little spot right there. It looks pretty good, actually. So. Dude, it's so hard to do this with this ice. I got one. Yep. Hell yeah, look at this, guys. Nice one. It's all on the snow, dude.
You got a fish on right now? I wish I had cleats. Or spikes, I guess. Let's take a look at that fish, Jimmy.
Dude, this is a nice, dude, these bluegill are nice, dude.
See what you're doing, dude.
Huh?
See what you're doing.
Shoot, hold up. Dude, open your mouth so I can put my hand in there.
Don't open it, don't hold it like that.
That's what I do.
Just hold it like on the belly like this.
No!
Just hold it like on the belly like this, and it'll like stay there.
Stop, dude, seriously.
It's like, no, like this.
Like that?
Like this, watch. Give me it, like this.
Oh.
Like that.
Like that?
No, flip it.
Oh. No!
It's science rocket. I guess just hold it like however you want.
So I like to hold it right here. Can't see.
I can't see you, I feel like that. Jimmy just got a nice nice little bluegill right there. Working that little jig. That's his first fish of the day. We've caught 3 fish on the lake.
So let's see this
Jimmy's
release on
first
this.
fish ever through the ice on the field.
I feel like this thing's sweet, dude. It was sweet if I catch this thing.
Hell
See ya.
How'd it bite?
I didn't really feel it because I had my jag set so low. I didn't really and I hit it. And I felt something. I just hit something like hitting it. I was like, whoa. I was like, all right. I think that's a fish. So I set my hook and I started reeling up. And I got one. Yeah. I mean, it felt like a fish. So I was like, this has to be a fish. But my jag was so low, so.
Yeah.
Damn, it's deep right here. This all the way to the bottom right there. Got another one, guys.
Damn, nice. Sure.
Right, I just let it sink all the way to the bottom, just reel it up, dude. That's all I did. Just let it sink up and just hit it, and it hit it. Here's this other one I got right here.
So it's me and Jimmy both have 2 fish. Jimmy, if you want to come over here and show my camera too.
Yeah, well.
I'm gonna steal Jimmy's hole right quick because I haven't caught a fish here in a minute. Jimmy's gotten 2 in a row, 2 casts right in a row.
Yep. Dude, this thing's a fucking pain in the ass. You really can't see it that good, but it's got snow all over it. But
nice fish right there, by
dude, these bluegill are just so beefy, dude.
I know.
You put it in your hole. Let's get the release on this little guy. Come on. Let's go. See ya.
Yeah, so I'm just taking this little jig right here. Probably can't hear me because Jimmy's drilling a hole. This little jig right here. Tipping it with a wax worm.
Dude, actually, how deep is it?
Like this. Just like that. Jimmy, here's the wax worms.
I'm gonna catch in your hole then.
I got one.
Yep, look, Thomas got one too. Dude, this hole is on fire right now.
Nice.
Dude, these bluegill are so beefy, dude.
That is a beautiful, beautiful bluegill right here.
Oh, I cast my hole again.
Yep, go ahead.
That's 3 fish out of this hole.
Dude, we need to do a catch and cook, Jimmy.
Huh?
We should do a catch and cook.
That'd be sweet. This is frozen.
What is? Guys, this is just these are just beautiful fish that Jimmy and I are catching right now. Check out how freaking huge these bluegill are. These are just massive, massive bluegill. Look at those dorsal fins. Look at those spikes up there. Oh man, these are just pretty fish. And this color, it's got like a weird pinkish color on the belly and stuff. I don't know what that's from. I'm gonna drop this fish down and get a release for you guys. Boom, that was a nice fish. And the thing is, you and I have never seen bluegill out of this pond before.
I probably could have.
All me and Jimmy ever come here to fish for is bass, because in the summer, this whole pond is over in this area over here. It's all just moss, so we like to come out here and frog fish.
Oh yeah, it's really bad. Moss and the algae.
The algae here in the summer is just horrible.
But I mean, it's
Same.
good for frog fishing though.
This is the rig I've been using all day right here. Me and Jimmy have been using the same thing. Just a little,
I switched up my bait.
just a little jig. Yeah, Jimmy had a Swedish pimple on earlier, and those are mainly for bass. But these are so versatile. You can really catch anything with these. I've seen people catch bass and everything with these. You can catch monster fish on these. Anything good?
No. Get it where? No. Got one. Got one. Yo, this is ginormous. Yo, all I'm doing is just.
What was that?
How's the ice moving, dog?
It literally sounded like a duck.
This ice isn't breaking though. Fuck that. This ice isn't breaking though. I mean. No, but dude, all I'm doing is let it dead. Just let it dead stick, dude. Just let it sit there. Yeah. No, this thing is ginormous, dude. Oh my god. If I can hold the damn thing. No, but look at this thing. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Let's see the little release on this guy. I didn't need to go there.